myself. My name is Shiraz Manzoor, and I've been working in the IT industry for last 5 years. And from the last 2 years, I'm working as the blockchain engineer, and I'm also a senior course instructor in ProTrainTech. So, first of all, I would like to I would like to thank you everyone for coming to this launch of ProTrainingTech.com. This is our new website, and we are excited to share about this with you all. So, uh, so first of all, this website is designed by uh, our own in-house developers. So the website is focused on teaching software testing and introducing people to the IT industry. So many of the people that come to us, many of our students, they do not have any IT background before starting with us. But after they have graduated from our course, they are able to get a very good job in many reputed companies. So so at ProTrainTech, we believe that software testing is a crucial skill for everyone looking to enter in the IT field. That's why we developed a range of courses designed to help you learn the concepts and techniques you need to succeed in this dynamic and fast-paced industry. Uh, our website offers a range of resources to help you on your learning journey, including interactive tutorials, video lectures, and online communities which you can connect with. So you can connect with other students and professionals. We have also a team of experienced instructors who are available to answer your questions and provide you support throughout your course. To be honest, I've been working for so long with Protein Tech, and the one thing I love about it is that the relationship with the student is not just during the classes time. The instructors will be available to you 24/7. You can ask questions during the weekend. I have seen the instructors working hard even on the weekends. So that's what I really love about this. So if anyone watching this webinar right now or watching in the future, I would highly suggest that stop looking for any other institute. If you want to get into IT, this is the place you need to be, because we're not just giving you the education. We're not just teaching you. We are taking you through the whole process. So you will be starting by learning it, of course, and after that, you will also get we will also help you in getting a good job.